Hello everyone, welcome to Royal Poem World. On the occasion of World Environment Day, I am here with a short and inspiring speech. Let's begin. Respected principal, teachers and my dear friends, a very warm greeting to all of you on World Environment Day. The environment is the foundation of life on earth. Clean air, fresh water, food, forests, animals, and natural beauty are precious gifts of nature. Without a healthy environment, life cannot exist. Unfortunately, our environment is facing many serious challenges today. Air pollution, water pollution, plastic waste, deforestation, and global warming are increasing rapidly. These problems not only harm nature but also affect human health and well being. If we do not act now, future generations may struggle to find clean air, safe drinking water, and a healthy place to live. Therefore, protecting the environment is not a choice, it is our responsibility. Each one of us can make a difference through small actions. We can plant more trees, save water and electricity, reduce the use of plastic, recycle waste, and keep our surroundings clean. World Environment Day reminds us that the earth does not belong only to us, it also belongs to future generations. We must work together to create a greener, cleaner, and healthier world. Let us take a place today to respect nature, protect our environment, and inspire others to do the same. Thank you. Plant more trees, protect nature, and build a better future for everyone. If you enjoyed this speech, please like, share, and subscribe to Royal Poem World. Thank you.